I'm dangerously close, close to the edge. It's evident with both lost our heads, but I don't wanna slow down. It feels like it's love on the run. Have you ever felt a heat like this in the fast lane with your foot held down? No, I never felt a rush so quick, like an earthquake underneath the ground. You know what? Don't care what anyone says. Here we are, just like two rebels that head for the stars, and no one else has a kiss to our heart.